In this video, we will look at some of the best laptops for coding on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 1. Apple MacBook Pro. At the heart of the MacBook Pro lies the formidable M1 Pro chip, designed to revolutionize CPU, GPU, and machine learning capabilities. Boasting an impressive 10-core CPU, this powerhouse delivers up to 3.7 times faster performance, enabling users to breeze through even the most intensive workflows with unparalleled speed and efficiency. The 32-core GPU offers a staggering 13 times faster performance, making it ideal for graphics-intensive tasks such as video editing, 3D rendering, and gaming. Efficiency redefined. One of the most remarkable features of the M1 Pro chip is its exceptional energy efficiency, translating into an astonishing battery life of up to 17 hours. Whether you're tackling a full day of work or indulging in creative pursuits, you can rely on the MacBook Pro to keep up with your pace without constantly seeking a power outlet. Immersive visual experience, equipped with a mesmerizing 14-inch liquid Retina XDR display. Number 2. Dell XPS 17. Dell continues its legacy of innovation with the new XPS 17 9700, a powerhouse laptop designed to redefine your computing experience. Featuring a stunning 17-inch UHD Plus display and packed with top-of-the-line hardware, this laptop is poised to deliver unparalleled performance and versatility. Let's dive into what makes the Dell XPS 17 9700 a game-changer for creators and professionals alike. Unmatched performance. At the heart of the XPS 17 9700 lies the formidable 10th Gen Intel Core i9-10885H processor, offering desktop-caliber performance in a portable form factor. Whether you're editing videos, rendering 3D graphics, or multitasking with demanding applications, this powerhouse processor ensures smooth and seamless performance every step of the way. Graphics powerhouse. Equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 GPU with 6GB of GDDR6 memory, the XPS 17 9700 takes creativity to new heights. Experience breakthrough graphics performance that accelerates your favorite creative applications, allowing you to bring your ideas to life with stunning visuals and smooth rendering. Sleek and thoughtful design. The XPS 17 9700 boasts a slim and stylish design with slim bezels that maximize screen real estate while maintaining a compact footprint. Number 3. Microsoft Surface Pro 9. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, Microsoft continues to push boundaries with its latest offering, the Microsoft Surface Pro 9, seamlessly blending the functionality of a tablet and laptop. This 13-inch 2-in-1 device is a powerhouse of innovation designed to elevate your productivity to new heights. Performance and design. At the heart of the Surface Pro 9 lies the Intel 12th Gen i5 fast processor, built on the Intel Evo platform, ensuring lightning-fast performance for all your multitasking needs. With 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, you'll never have to compromise on speed or capacity. Versatility redefined. One of the standout features of the Surface Pro 9 is its adaptability. Whether you're in tablet or laptop mode, the built-in kickstand allows you to adjust the angle effortlessly, providing optimal viewing and typing experiences. The virtually edge-to-edge 13 inches PixelSense touchscreen, designed for Pen and Windows 11, offers unparalleled precision and responsiveness, making it perfect for both work and creative endeavors. Enhanced connectivity, equipped with Thunderbolt for ports and Bluetooth 5.1 technology, the Surface Pro 9 ensures seamless connectivity for all your peripherals and devices. Number 4. Apple MacBook Air. The latest iteration of the Apple MacBook Air combines sleek design, powerful performance, and all-day battery life to create the ultimate companion for your daily tasks. Available in space gray, silver, and gold, This MacBook Air boasts a stunning 13.3-inch Retina display with True Tone technology, delivering crisp visuals and vibrant colors. Design and display. The MacBook Air features Apple's iconic wedge design crafted from 100% recycled aluminum, resulting in a lightweight and eco-friendly construction. The 13-inch Retina display offers True Tone technology, adjusting the color temperature based on ambient lighting for a more natural viewing experience. Number 5. Lenovo ThinkPad X1. Lenovo continues to redefine excellence with the newest ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12, a cutting-edge laptop that seamlessly blends power, performance, and sophistication. Boasting a sleek design, a stunning 2.8 display, and the latest Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor, this laptop is engineered to elevate your productivity and enhance your computing experience. Let's delve into what makes the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12 a standout choice for discerning users. Unmatched performance. At the heart of the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12 lies the formidable Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor, featuring E-cores up to 3.80 GHz and P-cores up to 4.80 GHz. Whether you're multitasking with demanding applications, editing high-resolution videos, or running virtual machines, this processor delivers unparalleled performance, enabling you to tackle even the most challenging tasks with ease. Stunning visuals. Experience breathtaking visuals on the 14-inch 2.8 display, which offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and exceptional clarity. With HDR500 support, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, and 400 nits of brightness, every image comes to life with stunning detail and precision. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or working on graphic design projects, the immersive display of the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12 ensures a captivating viewing experience. Efficient and reliable, equipped with 32 GB of LPDDR5X memory and a lightning-fast 1 TB SSD, this laptop delivers seamless multitasking and swift data access. Whether you're launching applications, transferring files, or booting up your system, the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12 ensures smooth and responsive performance, allowing you to stay productive throughout your day. Versatile connectivity. Stay connected and productive with a wide range of ports and connectivity options.
Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.